Okay, so telling the time, really important. If it's in the red section, the big hand. So we call this the big hand and this one the little hand. If the big hand is in the red section, usually we say past, except if it's on the 3, we say quarter, and if it's on the 6, we say half. If the big hand is anywhere in the yellow, we say 2. So you got to remember 2. And if it's on the 9, we say quarter. If it's on the 12, we say o'clock. So if you look at this time, this will be, it's 6 o'clock. So 6 o'clock means the big hand is on the 12 and the little hand is on the 6. You could say it's 6 o'clock or it's 6. That's fine. You can stop your sentence there. This time here, so this would be, it's 3:30. Because you remember I said if the big hand is on the 6 and the little hand is on the 3, that would be it's 3:30 or it's 3:30. So 2 options. We looked at this time, 9:25, or it's 25 minutes past 9, because the big hand would be 25 minutes here. The big hand would be here and the little hand would be here. It's a little bit hard to show you without the real time. This time is 3:45 or it's 3:45, because the big hand would be here and the little hand would be near the 4. Okay, we looked at these other times. It's 2:03 or it's 3 minutes past 2. Because we know past, anywhere in the red, we say past, in the yellow, 2. So the time in this image, what would you say it is? What time is in this image? The big hand is in the yellow area, which means that it's in the 2, and the little hand is by the 5. So I think it looks like that this big hand is 2. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 25 minutes to, and it's going to be, it's going to change to 5 o'clock. So 25 to 5 or 5:35. Can you see how that this time is 5:35, sorry, or 25 to 6? Because when this one goes all the way to the 12, this one is going to come to the 6. So that means it's going to be 6 o'clock. It's 25 to 6 because it will be 6 o'clock. It's going to 6. Does that help you think of it that way? It's going to. It's going towards. Coming to. In the past means behind, so... Okay, I said a really important thing, so I'm just going to say it again. When we meet people, we usually like to say, okay, I'll see you at 6 p.m. What time do you have breakfast? I have breakfast at 10 a.m. What time is your appointment? My appointment is at 10:30 a.m. So we like to say a.m. and p.m. after the time. It's just very common. So you could say that. What time is your English class? Oh, it's at 5 p.m. or it's at 5. Doesn't matter, but it's common to say AM and PM.